Hello everyone, I'm Peng. I'm the electric engineer of the BSL Series battery. In this video, I will introduce you the Solplanet 12 kW 3-phase inverter with our ES grade high voltage storage battery. We use the red cable and the black cable to connect the battery to the inverter's battery ports. First, we connect the positive cable to the battery ports. Next step, we connect the negative cable into the battery points. This blue cable is used for the communication from the CAN points of the battery to the BMS points of the inverter, and we put the blue cable into the BMS points. Yeah, that's okay. And this is the Wi-Fi module of the inverter. We open this and put this Wi-Fi module into the COM0 points. Yeah, so look this. Okay, this cable is used for the connection of the inverter to the line phase and the natural phase of the grid. Then we put this to the grid points of the inverter. This cable is used for the connection of the inverter to the grid. We shall put this in the grid points, and due to the correct direction, like this, and push it hard. Yeah, then lock it. Okay. This CT cable connected to 3 CT in the 3-phase of the grid, and we put this in the CN406. This is the CT point, and we put this cable into the CT point. After we connect all the cable, we shall open the battery. First step, let's turn on the DC brake. Then we click this meter switch button, and here was the screen lights up. In this screen, we can see many parameters of the battery, like the cell voltage and the temperature, voltage of the battery, and the currents, and of course the SOC. If we click the detail, we can see each cell voltage of the battery. And if we kick the alarm, we could see the alarm info of the battery. That shows the alarm description, the data, the alarm value of the battery. Then let us open the AC brake between the grid to the inverter. And this app, we could use this to configure the inverter. First, we click our plans. Then we click the device information. and choose the inverter we want to configure its parameter, and it's 12 kilowatt. And before use, we should choose the correct battery settings. The brand, we choose the Solplanet BIHB G2, and that's the product we are using now. And let's configure this. There are several work modes for us to choose: the self-consumption mode, the reserve power mode, custom mode, off-grid mode, time of use mode. The self-consumption mode means the priority of the energy usage is load, battery, and to grid. That means the solar energy will be used to load first. The extra energy will be used to charge the battery, and the grid will get the extra energy. After all this, the reserve power mode is used to ensure the battery's SOC. The solar energy will be charging battery before be used to the load. And the custom mode, we can set the charge time and the discharge time of the battery. Like this, in Tuesday, we charge for 0 hour and discharge for 11 hours. We can set the discharge time between 11 to 15 o'clock, and we can add a new time slot as we wish. In the off-grid mode, the battery's energy will be used to the load, and there is a time of use mode. Hi guys, and that's all the details I want you know about the connection of the Solplanet inverter with our ES grid high voltage battery. Thank you for your watching. See you later.